Hey friends and family, Marcos here, bringing you a nightcap here on the futures. Just take a look at the futures. Mind me, I'm not looking at the screen, but I'm not looking at the phone, but looking at the screen here. Let's take a look here at the futures. Logging in here into the Tasty Trade website. Need some better lighting here. Let me move this lamp a second. That might be better. Oh, that's a little bit better. All right, so super microcomputers, what did they close at? Now, the bid and spread is too wide, but I know that we're floating around 40. See, that's what it shows me last trade. Don't tell me. Let me go to the futures. Okay, so 10-year, pretty flat at 452. Oil down 29 cents to 73. S&P up 3, 16.95. Gold down 12 to 29.20. Small caps up $1.50 to 22.85. Nasdaq up 37 to 21.824. Dow Jones up 9 to 44.717. Silver down 9 cents to 32.23, and the VIX is down 5 to 17.50. Corn 4.85, soybeans 10.46, wheat 5.78, and those are your futures. In the after hours, let's look at the after hour earnings. After hour earnings, let's take a look here, folks. We have let's see here. I know we had, trying to get organized here. Zillow was after the bell. They were down 8% to 86. That was a pretty big one after the bell. Do this after hours. Symbol. And then, okay, here we go. AIG was down 2%. That was before the bell, so after bell. All right. Flanagan's, $24. I go eat their local restaurant. Let's see here. I know we had some Edwards Life Science up 5% to 70. Primerica 290. Not much of a mover there. Talked about Zillow. Energy Transfer. Not much of a move there. Allison Transmission down 10% to 115. Okay, here's some of the bigger moves. Dash. So DoorDash was up 6% to 193 in the after hours. Now take that with a grain of salt. We'll see how it opens up, but that would be, I think, a new high for Dash. So we got to take a look at it, and that might be one to put on your watch list as one of the market leaders going forward. We'll take a look. Upstart was up also big, 20% in the after hours. So they had decent, and then Lyft was down 15% in the after hours. See what else we got here. Oh look, Avis Rent-A-Car was down 5%. Confluent up 250, 850 up. I think those are all the ones I saw in the after hours. Yeah, so there's a couple names there that you might want to put on the watch list tomorrow. Dash and Upstart may be good ones to look at and put on your watch list and see if they're going to be new leaders. I think we have Robinhood tomorrow. I think Super Microcomputer stay within the range of the market makers at 38, so we'll see there. on that one. Who's this Atom thing? Down 41%. These are some of the trending stocks. Um, favorite stocks as of now still continue to be. I'm logging into the thing. Oh, 1 second. I have numerous platforms that I use. My login failed. You guys know by now that I love Planeteer. Planeteer is one of my favorites. So here's a basket of stocks that I really like. The market is choppy still. I think we have big news. I'm opening up the Thinkorswim to see what economic news we have tomorrow. But I have Fortnite and not Fortnite. Fortinet, I think it's called. It's Fortnite. It's a game. Fortinet. Put that on your watch list. Buy on your own risk. But these are stocks that I see that have good charts, good earnings, good breakouts. They look decent. FTNT, and invest in your own risk. Affirm Holdings, AFRM. Affirm. And then there's Cloudflare, where the symbols is NET, N-E-T. And then I'm looking at Robinhood. I'm going through them. I like Robinhood, but they have earnings in a day. Nvidia's there fighting. They have earnings soon. I like Rambus, even though it was down 3.65% today. Taiwan Semiconductor, Expedia, T-Mobile, and these are names that I have mentioned here. My favorite is Planeteer. Love Planeteer. Tilio, Sprouts Farmers Market, Super Microcomputer. Let's see how they open up tomorrow. And Docs. I might close out Docs, DOCS. Was down $8 today, down basically almost 10%. And I'm gonna try and give it a chance. But if it opens up weak tomorrow, cut it. I try and cut your losses to 7-8% from your entry point. If it don't work out, move on to the next one. That's just a rule that you should have. And those are my favorite stocks as of now. There's two more that I'm gonna add to the watch list here, which I'll see how they open up tomorrow. Which is gonna be DoorDash. I think they had good earnings, and Upstart. So those are a couple to name a few. Those are my favorite stocks. Market is in a chop. Oh, I owe you one data point. Let's see. I might need an update here. Let me see if I can get it faster so I don't keep you here hanging on that. Approaching 10 minutes here soon. CPI report. I think it's tomorrow. Okay, so consumer price report Wednesday, expected to show inflation isn't going away. That's a pretty good report tomorrow. So I think that will cause some gyrations in the market. We'll see how it comes in, how hot or cold. Asking me for an update. And that's pretty much it. You got my favorite stocks that I'm seeing out there right now in the market. Let me see something. Got a couple seconds, so I'll pull up Investor, because I added some to the watch list today. Let's see, Investor Business Daily. Sign in. All right. How do I do this? Signing in here. Let's see if I can get the watch list up here a second. Got it. Open charts. Oh, here it is. Okay, so yeah, I forgot a couple more. So I added Charles Schwab today. I added them. They look pretty good. And I still have Uber and Pinduoduo. That's the basket I have going on right now. It's a little bit of everything: China, tech, banks, to name a few. I have Expedia, which is travel, some exposure to AI. Um, Gold is strong. Silver, I think, will catch up. Oil is pretty range bound, and the market is pretty much in a choppy area. I think tomorrow is going to be a pretty important report. So we'll see how it acts. Shopify, I got into Shopify today. That's another one. Let's see if the breakout continues to gain. Had a good earnings, and that's all I have for you. Those are the best looking ones that I have. Meta is another one that looks really good. Netflix is another one that's good, but I don't have any positions in those. Anyways, have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.